Hi guys, welcome to my line tips. My name is Samuel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a topic that piques the interest of so many people: how to make money in sport betting. In this channel, we try to give you value and strategies on how to make money in sport betting. And we have created tutorial videos on how to predict full-time draw, how to predict halftime draw, how to predict halftime full time, how to predict correct score, how to predict over 1.5, how to predict both teams to score, and so on. So if you have any topic that you want us to discuss, kindly share it in the comment section. Moving on, as you know, sport betting involves risks, so responsible betting is crucial. In this video, we are going to discuss a topic surrounding rollover. Last week, we started a rollover challenge and we have recorded 100% success for the past 5 days. One of the new subscribers that joined our Telegram channel participated in the rollover challenge, and it started with a minimum of 3,500 naira, which is equivalent to $7. After 5 days, he was able to make a profit of 27,000 naira, which is about $30 profit. Okay, I want to invite you to join our Telegram channel and also participate in this rollover challenge. And what we offer is 1.5 to 2 odds on daily basis for this challenge, and it will take place for throughout this month until the new football season resumes next month, which is August, and it's free of charge. So kindly join the Telegram group. As you know, in this channel, we have provided insight and strategies on how to predict different football market, from how to predict halftime draw, how to predict correct score, how to predict halftime full time, how to predict both teams to score, how to predict full time draw, how to predict straight win, and how to identify value bets, and also share with you how to predict under 1.5 goals in halftime, and so on. So if you have any topic that you want us to discuss, kindly share it in the comment section. We'll gladly do a video about it. Okay guys, moving on. As you know, to make money in sport betting is somehow hard. So but if you have a good team of tipsters, you'll be able to make money. Okay, that is why we set up this Telegram channel, so that you'll be able to give you good predictions, so that you'll be able to make some money. So join us as we continue. For those of you that don't know what rollover means, rollover simply means that you set a particular budget and you stake a particular, or let's say 1.5 to 2 odds every day for a period of time, let's say 5 or 10 days. Then after the last day of your set target, you take profit and continue again. And what we did was that after 5 days, we told everyone in the group to take profit and start again with another amount of stake. So always set a budget for your betting. Okay guys, that's all I can share with you in this particular video. I came here to announce the rollover challenge and how you can benefit from it. Okay, join us in our next video. We'll do a video on how to make money betting on arbitrage betting in football. Okay, thank you for staying tuned, and see you in our next video. If you find this video interesting, like and share. And also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know when we drop new content. See you in our next video. Thanks.